Hi. Okay, finally have an update on the Enterprise E. As hopefully you can see, it's painted now. As you can see, the inside's painted. I wish I'd thought to give it an undercoat of black first, but it's totally light proof, so I've just been making sure all the windows are fine. Same with this, painted, all the parts are painted now. I'm almost ready for lights. As you can see, I've drilled all the holes out, finally. Takes forever. That's why I've not made a video on it for so long. The whole time I was trying to get all the holes drilled out. But oh well. I changed from a normal drill that most people use to, is that a pin vise, I think it's called? Because I wasn't very good with the normal drill. I won't show you many of my mistakes, but there's a few. Just drilling out 2 windows instead of one, take the middle bit out. So I used the pin vise, and that's how I was able to do those ones and stuff fine, without taking the piece of plastic in between out. There's more, I kept finding more and more windows to drill on it. I didn't notice those until I thought I was done. And then those up at the top. Also, I've got the navigation strobe lights for it. A white one goes up there. There. I think one goes there at the front. But I'm not sure how to fit them exactly. Just because they're quite big. Well, I could do with them being smaller anyway. I'll have to drill out a pretty sizable chunk there, that whole bit out, and probably a bit at the side too, because at the same place as well it thickens there. So I'll see though. It'll be alright, it's just I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. I'm almost finished painting all the pieces. I've just been having some minor problems with the engineering section, and I just have one more coat I'm going to do on that just to be safe. I might do a little bit more, another coat on that, I'm not sure though. That's fine. I don't need to do any more on that. I need to do more coats on the nacelles though, and on the engineering hull. So I'll get back to you.